When you are inside a course, there are different ways that you can navigate around. Most people will come into the course, they'll access the first item. In this case, it's titled Start Here. If you read the content on that page, it then gives you a link in the bottom right corner, which will take you to the next item in the course. In this case, a page called About this course. And if you view that particular item, when you get to the bottom, you can either use the previous link, which will take you to the item before, or you can use the next link, which will take you to the next item in the list. So most people will navigate through a course in a linear fashion by starting on the first item and then just using this link in the bottom right corner to take them through to the next item. If at any point you wish to return to the main course page, at the very top here, you've got what's called a breadcrumb trail. So it tells me I'm in an item called Assessment and Certification. If I go back one level, that would take me to the kind of the topic. If I then have this link here, Reducing Pesticide Risk is the name of the course. So I can just go back to the course page there. And it takes me back to where we started. Some people will just come in and work their way down and access items from here. And what you'll notice at the moment, all of the items are visible. But if I chose the Collapse All option, it would actually condense the course into the topics, and I can then expand or collapse the topics as I wish. Another way of navigating is on the left-hand side, there is something called the course index. If it's not visible, you click on this icon here and it will expand. And this will show you all of the items within the course, and this will scroll independently of the main page, and it allows you to jump straight to a particular item. You can also expand and collapse items within here by clicking on the little down arrow that appears next to an item, and it will allow you to collapse or expand. Next to each item there will be a circle. If the circle has a black border and a white middle, it means that that item has not yet been completed. If it has a green filled circle, it means that that item has been done. So you can see which items you have or haven't completed as you work your way through the course.